Do you notice anything wrong about the sentence? It doesn't have any commas. Hi, my name's Akshra and I'm a Bullis Student Tutor and I'm going to be talking to you about the simplest ways to use commas. What is a comma? A comma is a punctuation mark indicating a pause between parts of a sentence. Rule 1. Commas should be used when separating items in a list. This is the easy formula to remember when doing this. Word, comma, word, no comma, and word. So you would just tweak the formula depending on how many items you are listing. So let's try to apply this to the original sentence. And take a minute to try and figure out where the comma should be put. If you thought a comma should be put after apples and oranges, you are correct. So let's look at rule number 2. Comma should be used in between two adjectives. So this is a sentence. People who visit the Louvre can see some of the most magnificent, innovative art. So you can see that there's a comma in between magnificent and innovative because they are adjectives. Rule number 3. Commas can be used after an introductory phrase. So introductory phrases are things like, for example, nevertheless, as a result. So this is a sentence. Everyone loves my cookies. For example, my friend Julia begs for them and she doesn't like sweet things. So our introductory phrase in these sentences is for example, and you can see that there's a comma right after it. And it makes sense because there's a natural, when you're speaking, there's a natural pause after an introductory phrase. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out all the other videos on our channel.